Ooh, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechWhat Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having an amazing Friday. Before we go ahead and get started with today's video, we had an amazing live trading session with our Learn Plan Profit group. And if you've ever wanted to get a taste of what it's like to watch me trade live, I would really encourage you. I'm going to put the link down below, the first link down below. If you want to get a taste of what it's like to watch me trade live, it's just another YouTube video. It's just unlisted, it's private, exclusive for our LPP members. But I wanted to give you access just so you can kind of see what you could experience every single day if you were to join our team. And again, that's that first link down below. So without further ado, I have something to talk to you guys about. Yesterday, I made a video about the top two oversold stocks. It was BABA, and it played out pretty well. BABA, which is Alibaba, from where it is that I bought at to where it is that it is right now, I'm not doing too bad. I only have 40 shares. I wanted to have enough skin in the game, or just some skin in the game, but not so much that I feel uncomfortable if it continues to sell off. So I'm up just a little bit overall on the open, $460. I bought this one yesterday during normal trading hours. It aggressively sold off due to earnings. But the one that I want to talk about is PTON. And you guys might be asking, well, Ricky, let's go to the 1 day, 1 minute chart. Well, Ricky, if you bought, right, I showed you guys, if I bought during extended hours at 120 was where I originally bought, and then I bought a little bit more. If I bought at 120, why does it show that you're down on the day? TOS is so upsetting, and this has happened to me before, and you guys can comment down below. But one of the things is if you buy during extended hours, I didn't trade PTON throughout the entire day because I was waiting for earnings to come out. But during extended hours, I'm actually going to show my trades right here just so you guys can see. And you guys can do the math yourself on how much I'm actually up, just so you guys can see. So I originally bought 100 shares, just like I told you guys, at 120. Then it began to indicate signs of an uptrend. I bought another 100 shares at 122.12. It pulled back. I bought another 100 shares, and then I bought another 40 shares. It indicated signs of an uptrend. I wanted to alleviate my position, so then I sold 100 shares. And then during the pre-market session today, I sold 100 shares. I sold 40 shares. During the live trading session, I sold another 50 shares, and then now I bought another 50 because I saw that it was a little bit more on the oversold side. Based off of where it shows that I'm at on the day, it says that I'm down $162. But how could I be down when I bought at 116, at 120, at 122? And it's at right now, even at the low points as of right now, at 126. And this is one of the things that does happen with TD Ameritrade. I'm sure you guys have experienced it before, but if you buy something during extended hours, you hold it overnight, and then you go ahead and sell it during normal market hours, P&L based off of how, if I'm not mistaken, TD Ameritrade calculates it, it's based off of yesterday's close, which is up here right around 126, to today's open. So already, regardless if I bought it during extended hours, because it takes into consideration the close, it would have showed my P&L on the day down. But if you guys do the math with where it is that I actually bought, and you guys can even go a little bit further back. I mean, I don't believe I've traded PTON in the past couple of days. It's really just been during the extended hours and then today. If I'm not mistaken, I'm actually up nearly $2,000 on PTON in just 24 hours with a total of about 300 shares. And this is something that's super exciting, but it kind of like, I know I'm up the $2,000 and I know my account balance, shows the difference, but it's just bothersome because, you want to see that $2,000 P&L, but I just wanted to talk about it. It was a conversation we had within our Learn Plan Profit group, and I wanted to talk about and update you guys on a trade that went according to plan. I also want to talk to you guys about something that didn't necessarily go according to plan exactly, and it's Tesla. It's not horrible right now. I'm down $600 on the day. It's a stock that I've been holding for quite some time, and I've been buying more and selling more. And as it aggressively sold off, I bought more during the live trading session within the Learn Plan Profit group. But I know I talked about it yesterday during our video, and I wanted to make sure that I follow up with it. I don't just talk about the trades that went according to plan, but I also wanted to talk about the ones that as of right now aren't doing so hot. It's showing a lot of signs of consolidation, even when the overall market is pushing up. I don't know if you guys have seen, but now we're a little bit more on the overbought side. We are making higher highs and higher lows, but again, looking at previous highs, we're a little bit more on the overbought side, so it wouldn't really surprise me if we begin to pull back. So just a little heads up on that. This is why I'm now paying attention to SQQQ. This is a little bit more on the oversold side based off of previous support levels, which again, patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't always have to. I see there to be a potential reversal, but again, we have no proper confirmation just yet. Based off of where we're at as of right now to previous highs, and if you guys look during pre-market session, during market open, it has a resistance right around 1970, and that's nearly a 3.7% return, which isn't too shabby. I feel, and again, you guys can correct me if you think that I'm wrong, but I feel like today, which is weird because it's a Friday, out of every day this week has been the most not choppy, meaning that there's actually a lot of activity. There's a clear direction where it was selling off, where either it was pushing up, and it's made it a lot more enjoyable. But yeah, overall, I'm very excited with how the overall market has played out today. A little bothered by PTON just because I don't get to kind of like, I don't want to say show off my $2,000 trade, but it would have been so nice. It's kind of part of the experience where not only do you make the money, but you see the figure as well. But I just wanted to talk about it. It's great when something goes according to plan. For those that didn't watch yesterday's video, I 100% understand why you didn't take a position. I get it. One of the things that I saw is they reported earnings. They saw a pullback. It built a support level at right around 118, as you guys can see here. Why was that significant? Well, at 118 during normal trading hours, it had a previous support level as well. Again, patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't always have to. Overall, PTON is a very bullish stock, although it has been pulling back for the past 4 weeks. It's been very bullish for the past 180 days. It was trading above the EMA line. And again, although they pulled back during earnings, it was a positive earnings, which is something that we have seen happen quite a bit for the past couple of weeks. Regardless if they end up exceeding expectations, we still have experienced a pullback just because of all the uncertainty that's going on right now with the election, with COVID, with the second stimulus check, and it's just a crazy time to be alive. But again, if you guys want to check out the live trading session where I took all these different trades, if you've ever wanted to see someone buy, sell, all that different stuff during a live trading session, I want you to be able to watch the one that we had today. Make sure you click the first link down below. And when and if you feel like you are ready to join our team, this is our Learn Plan Profit Group, and you guys can tune on into our daily live trading sessions. You can click the second link down below. It will send you on over to our welcome page. And again, you can get a better understanding of what to expect when you join our Learn Plan Profit team. If you're not ready for that, I 100% understand. This is our free Facebook group. We have a little bit over 293,000 members. So again, if you wanted to stay connected with like-minded individuals, click the third link down below, learn a little bit more about our free Facebook group, and we'd love to have you join. Also, don't forget, we just dropped our new hustle flags. So we have put in the work, and if you guys look at the details on this one, so there's no shortcut to success. You guys can see that there's a little chart right there, and if you pay attention to the details, there's actually a Wall Street mouse pad on Donald Duck's desk. That's pretty dope. So get your bag. Again, these are only $19, and that of course includes shipping. That takes 3 to 5 business days here from sunny Arizona. And we also restocked on the Wall Street Bull if you guys want to pick one of those up. And again, that's going to be that fourth link down below, or you can visit us at shoptechbuds.com. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I wish you guys nothing but an amazing weekend. Please be safe, stay productive, and we'll see you on Monday for our live trading session at Market Open. Until then, we'll see you on the next one. Take it easy, team.